Being injured is devastating. You didn't want this. You have a family to take care of. You might be emotionally traumatized.
When I get injured, who pays for what I've lost?
A jury doesn't hear anything about insurance, so when you have a trial, it'll be you against the other driver, but the lawyer that you have is paid for by your insurance company, and any verdict that's given by the jury is paid for by your insurance company. And that's tricky because sometimes a jury figures that out. They say this has to be a case where there's coverage, and sometimes they don't. We had a trial a year ago, and our client was an amazing guy, and it was against a young girl who was maybe 20 or 21 years old, and she didn't even understand that her insurance was going to cover the situation, and she did a lot of crying during the trial, and it really worked for her. The jury felt sorry for them, and we talked to the jury afterwards, and they said, well, we didn't want to give a big verdict because we didn't know there's insurance. But the truth of the matter was she was fully protected in that situation. In Missouri, it's interesting, during jury selection, we can ask one question, and we can say, do any of you or any of you have any affiliation with, and then name the insurance company. So with Allstate or State Farm, and then they're allowed to answer, and that's the only thing you can ask. So there's a little subtle hint to them that maybe there's insurance, and so they can figure it out a little bit better. And as your lawyer, it's our job to present the case in the light most favorable to you, and that's what we're going to do for you.
Most juries don't know there's an insurance company involved in almost every accident, even though individual people need to be named in the lawsuit. If you've had an accident, reach out today.
Most people don't want to have to hire a lawyer. One of the things you're probably worried about is it going to cost me anything? It's a free consultation. It's something that we want you to have. We want you to have all the information that you need. And even if you don't hire us, at least you know everything and you won't make as many mistakes.
When you're injured, reach out anytime. Mike Glisson will listen.